Hello friends, how are you? I think you are well. Today I will talk to motor replacement. So let's start. Go to Google, search motor replacement. We can see here many website. Just click this one, replace and replacement of industry electronics. Then we can see the website replace and replacement of electronics motors. You can see here many option electronics motors service company replacement contact. We'll talk to services. MENZEL Electronics can replacement existing types of all motor types and power classes identically from a 100 kW crane motor to a mill drive in the megawatt range. The replication of electronic motors that are no longer available today is one of the tailored drive solution of MENZEL Electronical Motoration. Frequently, a certain electronic motor is predicate for a specific application. If this motor needs to be replaced, a particularly identical motor is required. We can precisely replace your electronic motor so that the new motor is 100% suited to your plant. If you are looking for no more available three-phase asynchronous motors from manufacturers such as Siemens or ABB, we can replicate them at our modern and extensively equipped brain location. Our engaging department is ideally prepared for the task of replacing existing motors with new replaces. The replication of an electronic motor by manual avoid high on switch conversion cost and long downtimes. In addition, there is no need to make change to your production plans, which avoid the frequently significant consequence of such modifications. Naturally, our replace calmly with all valid standards and regulations. Power range for the individual replace of industrial motors. Manual offers a range of possibilities for custom replaces of industrial motors in the low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, and strict current range. We can individually replace particularly an electric motor with a replica. A precise analysis of the situation and of your actual requirement enable use and to select the best and most cost effective variant for you. Three parts asynchronous signal case motors from 75 kV to 25,000 kV. 3-pass assist Korean sleep range motors from 75 kW to 15,000 kW. Direct current motors from 20 kW to 2000 kW. Various mountings, all production classes and cooling method for grad and conversion operation. Replex of electric motor for all industrial plants. Replex of historic electronic motors. Reproduction of tailored customer specific electronic motors. Most squirrel case and slip range motors that level our plant in Germany are specialist adaptation schemes for example motors that are no longer behind produced by large companies such as Siemens or ABB. Typically, those are motors that are electrically and mechanically identical to old models. Your advance with us DNEN ISO 9001 certified experts for industrial motors up to 13800 volt, custom design and individual adaptation, 24th emergency service, short delivery times, own manufacturing facilities in Germany, worldwide location and excellent plants. A replica of an electric motor saves time and money. The reproduction of an electric motor is nowhere near as expensive as often feared. Thanks to our experience in the reproduction of electric motors, we can use a range of standard companies and which are then modified in line with the customer's requirements. This saves you money and make the cost of replica more affordable. As a rule, replica electric motors can be placed onto the old foundation and directly connected up without requiring any change to your plant. This removes the need to for costly change during the assembly and commissioning batch, which saves further time and money. The advantage of electric motor replicas. Thanks to the identical design of our electric motor replica, on-site replacement is possible without mechanical work and without changing the control electronics in detail. The advantages of replicas are as follows. There is no or very little influence on the electronic control or mechanical of the plant. Unforeseeable risks involved in the use of new electronic motor with other parameters are avoided. We can provide loss-optimized replicas with increased efficiency in order to improve the performance of industrial plants. No modification or only very slight modifications to your production plans or foundation are required at your site. This keeps setup times to a minimum. They are idle for reserve mechanicals since in the case of a failure, easy replacement can be carried out, particularly if several identical electronic motors run in the plant that can all be replaced by a tailored replica. Thank you for the watching my video. Please subscribe my channel A1 information and click the bell button, then you will get a new informational video. Thank you. Bye bye.